In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 steps to get started with analytics dashboards. We'll move through 3 parts. First, build a report. Second, fine-tune and save it. And third, assemble a dashboard that visualizes your data. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, open the app launcher in the top left. In the search bar, type Reports and open it. Create a new report, and for this walkthrough, choose Accounts as the report type. Report types determine what records and fields you can analyze, so picking Accounts means you'll be reporting on account-level data. Click Start Report to open the builder. Add the columns you want to see, and make sure to include created date. Columns control what appears in your table and what you can group or chart later, and created date is essential for time-based trends. Next, move to Filters. Filters narrow your results so you're only working with relevant data. Select Created Date as your filter field, choose your desired time frame from the calendar, and confirm your pick. Apply the filter, then hit Refresh to update the preview with your new criteria. When the results look right, choose Save and Run. Give your report a clear, consistent name so teammates can find it later. Save it, and your report is ready to power a dashboard component. Now let's build the dashboard. Open the app launcher again, type Dashboards, and open it. Dashboards combine multiple reports and present them as charts or tables in one place, giving you quick, actionable insights. Click New Dashboard, enter a descriptive dashboard name, and create. Add your first component by clicking Add Widget. Choose whether you want a chart or a table based on how you plan to interpret the data. For this example, select a report focused on contacts and click Select. This step connects the widget to its data source. Choosing a contacts-based report helps you visualize people-related metrics tied to your accounts. Add another component by clicking Add Widget again. Pick Chart or Table, then choose a second report you want to feature and click Select. Select the display that best fits the story you're telling. Bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends, or tables for detail. Click Add to place the component on the dashboard canvas. When everything looks good, click Save. A few quick tips before we wrap. Use meaningful names for reports and dashboards, apply date filters consistently across components for apples-to-apples comparisons, and refresh regularly so your visuals stay current. That's how you get started with analytics dashboards, from creating a focused report to turning it into clear, shareable visuals. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.